He was a prime suspect and a key witness in the Holly Bobo case.
And now he's dead. But tonight in a News Channel 5 exclusive, we know more about Shayne Austin and his link to the high-profile murder. As Nick Barris tells us, it's clear now why the TBI had such an interest in Austin.
Austin died in Florida this week. Police there believe it was suicide. And since then, I've talked to a relative who, for now, is not so sure about that. And I obtained exclusive documents which expose why the TBI was so very interested in Mr. Austin.
Do you think that they should have upheld their agreement?
When the 30-year-old Austin died, he took with him all he knew about what happened to Holly Bobo. And the TBI figured he knew a lot.
So there was something that he had that the state believed was going to help their case.
Was Austin connected to Bobo's disappearance in April of 2011? Zach Adams and Jason Autry are already charged with murder. The TBI did suspect Austin enough to ask a judge for a tap on his phone as recently as March of last year. That court request spells out the TBI's interest. Shayne has been interviewed several times. He admits being with Zach Adams the entire day of Holly Bobo's disappearance. Phone records indicate Austin was in contact with Adams several times the day of the abduction. Austin confessed to at least one person that he was involved in the crime. Publicly, Austin denied any involvement, but it seems he told the TBI and others a different story when it came to cutting an immunity deal.
You have to be honest. I mean, all those immunity deals are conditioned upon you being honest. But
the DA did grant Austin immunity, hoping it might lead to Bobo's body. Agents did search Zach Adams' property. Did police come up empty? A fair question, since the DA then revoked Austin's immunity. Still, he was never charged. The question why? Well, News Channel 5 legal analyst Nick Leonardo says the DA may still have planned on calling Austin at trial.
I believe this is a blow to the prosecution's case.
Austin's family tonight is still mourning the loss. The relative I spoke with told me the TBI was unfair and treated Austin like a criminal, but never charged him. Now he's dead, and that relative has questions about whether or not it really was a suicide. We'll know more after the autopsy. Nick Barris, News Channel 5 HD.
Thanks, Nick. It's worth noting whatever Austin did share with investigators will now not be admissible if the Bobo case ever goes to trial. The reason? Defense attorneys cannot cross-examine a dead person.